I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious broth soup. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones like chicken or beef for a flavorful base. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables such as 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion. Finally, grab some bay leaves, a teaspoon of peppercorns, and a few sprigs of fresh parsley to enhance the taste. Next, let's prepare your bones for maximum flavor. Roast them in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until they're nicely browned. This step adds incredible depth to your broth. Then, transfer the roasted bones and all your vegetables and spices into a large stock pot. Cover everything with 12 to 16 cups of cold water, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Now bring your pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then immediately reduce it to low. As it simmers, you'll notice foam rising. Use a ladle to carefully skim this off. This keeps your broth clear and clean. Let it simmer for at least 4 hours, or even up to 24 hours for a truly rich and robust flavor. The longer it simmers, the more nutrients are extracted. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all solids. This leaves you with a beautiful, clear liquid. It's crucial to let the broth cool completely before storing it. You can store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, or freeze it for several months for future use. Enjoy your homemade broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.